I am a pharmacist. Do I know my industry? It's a concept which has been created by me to drive the career awareness programs for the pharmaceutical students. My name is Ranjan Rout, and by profession I am a pharmacist and I am a pharma career coach. I carry out this program called I am a pharmacist. Do I know my industry since last 3 years. So what is the objective behind it for carrying this program called I am a pharmacist, do I know my industry? So in pharmaceutical education, if I understand correctly, the students come to pharma education not by their choice. They went for the pre-medical test and they could not succeed in the test and they have to do something in the medicinal line. So they tend to choose either by pressure from the families or they tend to choose by pressure by themselves to come into pharmaceutical education. Once they step into the pharmaceutical education, they feel that there is very less career opportunity. But why that is the case? Is this the right case? No, it is not. Billion-dollar industry is actually waiting for them. So why it is missing actually? The missing jigsaw puzzle is nothing but there is few points which I need to highlight. One, the academics that we as a pharmaceutical student went through or going through is never aligned with the industrial requirement. That does not mean that the education of pharmaceutical that is every student is going through is not being required by the industry. It is very much required by the industry, but they need to enhance their skill sets to match up with the industry, number one. Number two, the studies shows that 10% of the students and the faculties within pharma, they use internet to acquire knowledge. That means 90% student does not use internet as a tool to acquire knowledge. Number three, there is no such platform for where students can acquire knowledge about all industry. Number four, there is a myth about few job profile, which is called social stigma is inhibiting them to get into that industry. But what is the reality? Is the reality that we don't have the jobs available for the pharma students in the market? No, not at all. Since last 3 years, I am as a career coach carrying out multiple market research and come to one conclusion that there are 38 sub-industries integrated into one industry. It's called healthcare and pharmaceutical allied industry. So my objective to carry out this program called I am a pharmacist, do I know an industry, to make aware the student that there are 38 industry verticals that exist in the pharmaceutical and healthcare allied industry. So what are those 38 pharmaceutical and allied industry verticals? I would like to name those industry verticals so that student can go in detail and to try to find out which are those industry, whether there are a lot of career avenues are available or not. The number one, as pharmaceutical industry, the main industry is called pharmaceutical industry. Number two, we got over the counter. Over the counter, though it's a part of pharmaceutical vertical, but it's also operates at a different industry vertical because it is a mix of FMCG products as well as pharmaceutical products. Or you can say that few pharmaceutical products has been moved from prescription trend and gone into OTC category. Number three, we got medical devices as an industry. Number four, we got medical equipment as an industry. Number five, clinical research. Number six, we got education where we are studying. Number seven, we got surgicals. Number eight, we got retail trade. Number nine, we got hospital. Number 10, we got contract manufacturing. What a fantastic industry it is. Number 11, we got medical consumables. Number 12, we got health insurance. Number 13, we got advertising and communication. Number 14, we got medical publication. The books that we read in the pharma profession is published by somebody and say different industry altogether. Number 15, it's market research and consulting. Number 16, medical event management. Number 17, we got labs, diagnostic and genetics as part of diagnostics category. Number 18, distribution and supply chain management. As a different industry to all operate together. Number 19, we got pharmaceutical equipment, where you got pharmaceutical packaging, filling, labeling as a different industry altogether. Then number 20, we got pharmaceutical excipients. Number 21, we got laboratory and analytical equipment which are being used within the pharmaceutical institute as well as within pharmaceutical companies for the R&D and quality and assurance departments. We got fine chemicals intermediates as a different industry. We got pharmaceutical technology as a different industry. Number 24, we got pharmaceutical industrial consulting, where we do greenfield and whitefield. There are a few industries which got emerged since last 5 to 6 years. Last 5 to 6 years, this industry has got into Indian market. The big time they are doing great work, which is one is 25 as number 25. Online pharmacies as a different industry altogether operates in our country. Number 26, we got medical animation. Number 27, information technology. People must be shockingly listening to me what is all about information technology which is within for the pharmaceutical industry. 28, we got online clinicians, networking and social networking platforms. 29, we got online patient appointment like Practo-like platforms. Number 29, number 30, we got online drug and brand communications. Number 31, we got e-detailing. Number 32, digital marketing. Number 33, legal and patent. Number 34, we got data management and analytics. Number 35, medical tourism. India is one of the preferred destination of medical tourism due to their low cost treatment with high efficiency. We got fantastic doctors, medical pools, healthcare people are available in our country, and by courtesy that people from the Western world, Africa, Southeast Asia comes to our country for the treatment. We got HR consulting as a different category. 37, we got medical coding. 38, we got artificial intelligence. Trust me, artificial intelligence is going to be the next generation thing for pharmaceutical industry, and to the best of my knowledge, artificial intelligence today is being utilized the maximum in the healthcare segment. So this is all about 38 in this billion-dollar industry is waiting for all of you. So what is the reality? Is there jobs not available for us in the market? No, the jobs are absolutely available, but you have to search them out. Number one. Number two, we are talking about getting into the job. So people are talking about making yourself ready for the industry. What does it mean? It means, for me, it's make your skills up to the industry mark so that you can get into that industry. Recently, I'm sure many people must have read last year's article has been published by UNICEF. UNICEF has predicted that in 2023, India will be one of the country where the youngsters will be out of job due to less skill. So you have to work on the skills. So I am carrying out different sort of workshops, seminars on I am a pharmacist, do I know my industry? Stay tuned, listen to me on YouTube channel, very soon we are going to bring a lot of expert interviews. I am going to interview experts from the different industry that I have already named it. So look forward to meeting you once again very soon. Thank you so much.
Make the ground shake.